Hello guys, I hope you are doing well. In this video, I'm going to create the following IBM HR dashboard using Excel. As you can see, we are going to create different charts. We are going to start by histograms. We have donut charts, horizontal bar charts, and vertical bar charts. But before start creating our dashboard, let's first explore our dataset. So here we have our dataset, and to download directly the dataset, you can find the link in the description. So the first column is the age, then we have the attribution, business travel, daily rate, we have the department, distance from home, education and education field, we have employee count, employee number, environment satisfaction, the gender, so we have male or female, the hourly rate, job involvement, job level, job role, and job satisfaction. Then we have marital status, okay, monthly income, monthly rate, we have number of companies worked, over 18, so all of them are over 18, overtime. Then we have percent salary hike, we have performance rating, relationship satisfaction, standard hours, stock option level, we have total working years, this is the experience. Then we have training times last year, work-life balance, we have years at company, years in current role, years since last promotion, and finally we have years with current manager. So now I'm going to create 8 different pivot tables that we are going to use in order to create our charts. But before doing that, we are going to first to rename this one to data, create a new sheet, name it dashboard, we click on view and we remove the grid lines. Okay, then we go back to data, insert, pivot table, new sheet. Okay, this one, insert, pivot table, second, go back to data, insert, third one, insert, pivot table, okay, so get data here, same thing for dashboard. So this will be employees by age, okay, we copy that. Next one, employees by gender, then we have employees by hourly rate, then we have employees by job role, then employees by education field, next we have employees by department, next employees by marital status, and finally we have employees by business travel. Okay, like that we have all the pivot tables, and now I'm going to create our first chart. Okay, so for employees by age, we click on age, put it in the rows, and for the values we have employee count. All right, so select everything, we remove current total, select everything, copy, and we paste the values in here. So this will be age, this will be the total. Okay, now we select everything, insert, recommend the charts, and we have here our chart. Okay, so double click in here, copy, we rename our chart. So we remove the grid lines, and now I'm going to format the chart. So for the color, click on fill, colors, more colors, custom, and we write the following code. So we have 108 EFF. Okay, and we do the same thing for the border, same color, round corners. Whereas for the text options, we select everything in black. Same thing for the x-axis and on the y-axis. Okay, now we copy the chart, we click on dashboard, and we paste our chart in here. Alright, like that we have our first chart, which is employees by age. Next we have employees by hourly rate. So same thing, we click in here, this one. So we have here the hourly rate, put it in the rows. And for the values, we have the employee count. Right, same thing. Select everything. Remove current total. Select everything. We copy. Paste values in here. And here we have the hourly rate. Here we have the total. And select everything. Insert, recommend the charts. And we have our chart in here. Okay. Same thing, we format that. So for the colors, we select the same blue. Remove the grid lines. For the title, copy and paste this one. And for the text, everything will be in black. So the title in black, the x-axis in black, and same thing for the y-axis. Okay, and we'll do the same thing for the border. So chart options, border, select the same blue, and the rounded corners. Same thing, we copy this chart, dashboard, and we paste it in here. Okay, so here we have our second chart. Can put it like that. Okay, so the next chart, it will be employees by gender, which is a donut chart. We click on employees by gender, right? We click on gender and on employee count. So we select, we paste values in here. So this will name it to gender. And here we have the total. Alright, so select everything, insert, recommend the charts, all charts, by. Here we have the donut chart. Okay, now I'm going to format that. So change the title. We remove legend. Now for the chart, the whole size, it will be 50% or 60%. For the labels, so there are labels, more options, label options. We have percentage and the category name. Put it here, this one in here. So text options, it will be black, and same thing for the title in black. Whereas for the colors, for male, for example, we can select blue, and for female, we can select, for example, gray. Okay, so for the border we select the blue with rounded corners. Now we copy our chart, click on dashboard, and we paste it in here. Okay, so put it in the center like that. Okay, so here we have our third chart, which is employees by gender. Next we will have employees by job role. So same thing, close this one, click on job role and also employee count. So we select this, copy, paste values. So here we have the job role, here we have the total, so select everything, insert table, okay, and we sort from smallest to largest. Same thing, insert, recommend charts, and here we have our chart. Okay, so grid lines, copy paste the title, we add the labels, and we remove the x-axis for the bars. So here it will be 50%. For the color it will be the same blue, and for the text it will be in black. Whereas for the border, same color, rounded corners. So same thing, copy this one, go to the dashboard and paste it in here. Alright. So here we have our fourth chart. Okay. Next we have employees by education field. So same thing, we close this one, click on education field, and same thing, employee count. We select our cells, copy, paste values in here. So we name it education field. Here we have the total. Select everything, insert table, okay, and we sort from smallest to largest. Insert, recommend charts, and here we have our chart. Remove grid lines, rename it, we remove the x-axis, and we add the labels. For the bars 50%. For the colors we select the same color, and for the text everything it will be in black. And for the border it will be in blue, rounded corners. Okay, now copy this one and we paste it in here. Close this one, keep it like that. Alright, so here we have our fifth chart. Next we are going to have a donut chart for employees by marital status. So same thing, we click on marital status, employee count. So select, copy, paste values in here. Here we have the total, right? So select everything, insert recommended charts, all charts by, here we have the donut chart. Remove the legend, rename the chart. For the colors, not like that. This one gray, or this, and this one can be like that. Okay. Now for the chart, we set whole size 60, and for the labels, more options. So here we will have the label options as percentage, value, and category name. Okay, put it here, put it this one in here, this one in here. Okay, so the text will be in black. Same thing for the title. Whereas for the border of the chart, it will be blue rounded corners. Copy this one and we paste it in our dashboard. Okay, can put it here like this. Alright, so here we have our sixth chart, which is employees by marital status. Next we have employees by department. So we have vertical bar chart, right, which is in here. So same thing, we close this one, we click on department, employee count, we select our cells, copy, paste the values in here. So this will be the department. And this will be the total. So select everything, insert, table, okay. We sort from largest to smallest, insert, recommend the charts, and here we have our chart. So change the title, we remove the grid lines, we add the labels, same thing, we remove the y-axis. For the color, it will be blue. For the border, it will be blue rounded corners, and for the text it will be in black. So black, black, and black. Okay, so now copy this chart, dashboard, and paste it in here. Okay, next we are going to create our final chart, which is employees by business travel. So we go to employees by business travel, close this one, select business travel and employee count. So same thing, copy, paste values in here. So this is business travel, right? And here we have the total. Okay, so select everything, insert, table. Okay, so largest to smallest, and we insert our chart. Okay, so we change the title, we remove the grid lines, we add the data labels, we remove the y-axis. For the bars, same color. For the chart, same color, rounded corners. And for the text, it will be in black. Same thing for the labels and for the axis. Okay, so now copy this one, paste it into the dashboard. Alright, can put it like this. Okay, now we can also add the sizes. Format, we can put it 2 and 4. Same thing for this one, 2, 4. Okay, we select all of them. And we put them as 2 and 4. Alright, so these 3 shape format, align, distribute horizontally. Same thing in here, shape format, align, distribute horizontally. These 3 shape format, align, center. Same thing for these 3, shape, align, center. Okay, now we add the IBM logo, right? Click in here, insert, pictures, place over cells, this device. Same thing, you can find the link in description to download the logo. And here we have our logo, so we can put it in the center. Alright, and like that we get our final dashboard for IBM HR data. So that's it for this tutorial. I hope that you have learned new things. Thanks for watching and see you in next tutorial.